Euler theorem definition. Let m be a positive integer, then Euler pi function pi of m. Okay, that is the pi of m. That is the Euler pi function. Okay, Euler pi function, it is denoted by pi of m. Okay, now pi of m denotes the number of positive integer less than or equal to m and relative to prime m. Okay, so Euler pi function, that is denoted by pi of m. Okay, now here pi of m denotes the number of positive integer is less than or equal to m. Okay, and relatively to prime m. Okay, it is the Euler pi function definition. So the Euler pi function, it is denoted by pi of m. It is the number of positive integer is less than or equal to m. Okay, and relatively prime to n. Okay. So this statement, it is the definition of the Euler pi function. It is important. 2 mark. Okay. Now the theorem. One of the theorem. Okay. There is no proof. Okay. Statement of the theorem. A positive integer p is a prime if and only if pi of p is equal to p minus 1. Okay, a positive integer p is a prime if and only if pi of p is equal to p minus 1. Okay, it is important. Some problems based on the theorem. Okay, anga irukka. Okay, so if p is a prime irukku appadina, that is the pi of p is equal to p minus 1. Okay, there is no proof, it's only the statement of the theorem. Okay, the next one theorem. M be a positive integer and a any integer with a comma m. Okay, that is the GCD of a comma m is equal to 1. Let m be a positive integer and a any integer with a comma m. Okay, that is the GCD of a comma m is equal to 1. And let r1, r2, r3 etc. r into pi of m be the positive integer less than or equal to m. Okay, and relatively prime to m. Okay, that is the definition of the Euler function. Euler function definition is Euler pi function, that is the pi of m. Okay, Euler pi function, it is denoted by pi of m. Okay, so pi of m engrada enna Euler pi function. It is denotes the number of positive integer is less than or equal to m and relatively prime to m. Okay, adhe da solranga. Inga vanda r1, r2, r3 etc. or pi of m with the positive integer less than or equal to m and relatively prime to m. Okay, then the least residues of the integer. Okay, least residue of the integer a r1, comma a r2, a r3 etc. a r pi of m modulo m. Okay, அதாவது r1, r2, r3 etc. r pi of m ங்கிறது positive integer. Okay, இது வந்து less than or equal to m இல்ல relatively prime to m. Okay, then அதோட least residue ங்கிறது என்ன அப்படினா, that is the least residue of the integers are ar1, ar2, ar3 etc. ar pi of m modulo m. Okay, or the permutation of integer. Okay, r1, r2, r3 etc. r pi of m. Okay, here also no proof. Okay, it's the statement of the theorem. Okay, idella therinju vechukonga. Next one important theorem. Okay, important question. Euler theorem or generalized Fermat theorem. Okay, இதுதாம்மா Euler theorem. Okay, state and prove Euler theorem na இது எழுதுனா போதும். Okay, important question. From the statement of the Euler theorem, let m be a positive integer and a any integer. Okay, a is any integer with a comma m is equal to 1. Okay, then a power pi of m is concurrent to 1 mod m. Okay, from the statement of the Euler theorem, statement வந்து important statement வந்து கரெக்ட்டா நீங்க எழுதுனாதான் question வந்து state and prove Euler theorem தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, so you should write the statement of the Euler theorem. Okay, let m be a positive integer and a any integer with a comma m is equal to 1. Okay, then we have to prove a power pi of m is concurrent to 1. Okay, mod m. Okay, so proof பண்ண வேண்டியது என்ன, a power pi of m is concurrent to 1ங்கறத என்ன பண்ணனும், proof பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? Okay, let's see the proof of the theorem. Okay, now the given condition enama, okay, that is the if condition is m be a positive integer and a is any integer with a comma m is equal to 1. Okay, it is the if condition. We have to prove a power pi of m is concurrent to 1. Okay, so that you should write the first given condition. Okay, given condition is m is a positive integer and a is any integer such that a comma m is equal to 1. Okay, then we know that, okay, okay, using the before theorem, okay, that is the let r1, r2, r3, etc. or pi of m with the least residues of the modulo m that are relatively prime to m. Okay, so next we have to prove that ari comma m is equal to 1. Ari comma m is equal to 1. Okay, suppose okay, ari comma m is greater than 1. Okay, so proof பண்ண வேண்டியது ari comma m is equal to 1. Suppose that we take the ari comma m is greater than 1. Okay, then let p be a prime factor. Okay, let p be a prime factor of ari comma m, then implies p is the divisor of ari. Okay, p is the divisor of ari and p is the divisor of m. Okay, புரியுதாமா? இப்போ let p be a prime factor of ari comma, அதாவது two integers எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? That is ari comma m. Okay, so that now p is the prime factor. Okay, p is the prime factor. It is the divisor of one integer. Okay, that is the p is the divisor of ari and p is the divisor of m. Okay, suppose if p is the divisor of ri and p is the divisor of ri and p is the divisor of m. Okay, the next one, so that ri comma m is not equal to 1. Okay, so ari comma, suppose that ari comma m is great, if we take them that is the GCD of the number is that is greater than 1 எடுத்தோம் அப்படினா ri comma m is not equal to 1. Okay, நம்மளுக்கு வந்து equal to 1ங்கறத prove பண்ணனும். Okay, so then next, which is contradiction. Okay, p is divisor of a and p is the divisor of m. Okay, which is the contradiction. Then now we take p is the divisor of a and p is the divisor of m. Okay, mama, first வந்து இது பண்ணுங்க, if p is the divisor of ri ங்கிறது எடுக்கும்போது என்ன ஆயிடுது அப்படினா ri comma m is not equal to m 1 வந்துருது. ஓகேவா? suppose we take p is the divisor of a and p is the divisor of m. புரியுதமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்கோங்க, அதாவது p be a prime factor of the two number integers வந்து ari comma m. ஓகேவா? so that p is the divisor of one of integer and p is the divisor of another one integer. Okay, so then if அதாவது p is the divisor of ri and p is the divisor of m எடுக்கும்போது என்ன ஆயிடுது, it is the GCD of the integers are not equal to 1. Okay, suppose next you take the value that is the p is the divisor of a and p is the divisor of m எடுக்கும்போது that is the p is the divisor of a comma m, then implies it is also not equal to 1. Okay, so it is also contradiction, which is also contradiction. Okay, therefore hence ari comma m is equal to 1. Okay, which is also contradiction. So இது எதுவா தான் இருக்க முடியும், equal to 1 ஆ தான் இருக்க முடியும். ஓகேவா? the next step. Okay, the next one ma, that is the integers are ar1 ar2 etc. a or pi of m are relatively prime to m. Okay, இதுல பார்த்தோம் ஒரு தியரம்ல. ஓகேவா? so the integers are ar1 ar2 etc. a or pi of m are relatively prime to m. Okay, the next step, So the integers are AR1, AR2, etc. AR pi of m are concurrence modulo to m. Okay, concurrence modulo m to R1, R2, or etc. R pi of m in same order. That is AR1, AR2, etc. AR pi of m. Okay, that is equal to R1, R2, etc. R pi of m mod m. Okay, இது கொஞ்சம் நீங்க படிக்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, since each Ri is relatively prime to m. Okay, step by step படிச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, theorem, tip of the theorem. Okay, the next one implies R1, R2, R3, etc. R pi of m, comma m is equal to 1. Okay, therefore a power pi of m is concurrent to 1 mod m. புரியுதாமா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? கொஞ்சம் படிக்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். இட்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தியரமா, டெஸ்ட் கண்டிப்பா வரும். ஓகேவா? ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஆர் யூ கிளியர்மா? படிச்சிடலாமா? ஹலோ.
எஸ் மேம்.
ஈஸி தாம்மா, தியரம் ஈஸி தான். ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பா படிச்சிருங்க. ஓகேவா? புரியும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து given condition எழுதிக்கோங்கம்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஆஃப் தி தியரம் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. R1, R2, etc. R pi of m with the least residue of modulo and it is relatively prime to m. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் prove that ARI, m is equal to 1. சப்போஸ் வந்து கிரேட்டர் தென், அதாவது கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன் எடுத்து நீங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன் வந்து ஒவ்வொரு இன்டிஜர்ஸ்க்கு வந்து டிவைசர் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து p is the divisor of Ri and p is the divisor of m ங்கிறது that is equal to not equal to 1 வந்தது. So it is, which is contradiction. Okay, then p is the divisor of a, it is also contradiction. Okay, therefore ARI, m is equal to 1. Okay, அதாவது greater than or equal to 1 எடுக்கும் போது என்ன ஆயிடுது அப்படின்னா இது வந்து contradiction ஆயிடுது. ஓகேவா? so it is equal to 1. then நார்மலா இது எல்லாமே எழுதிடுங்க. ஓகேவா? ஒரே மாதிரி தான் வரும் ஸ்டெப் எல்லாமே. Hence the theorem. Okay, so a power pi of m is concurrent to 1 mod m. Okay, ஈஸியா இருக்காமா? ஹலோ, படிச்சிடலாமா? இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தியரம்மா. So in this chapter, important theorems are Wilson's theorem, Fermat's little theorem, and Euler theorem. Okay, wow? These three theorems are important. Okay. Okay, next one, theorem, statement of the theorem. Let P be a prime and E be any positive integer. Let P be a prime and E be a small e. Okay, small letter e be any positive integer. Then pi of P power e is equal to P power e minus 1. Okay, so simplify. After simplification, pi of P is equal to P power e into 1 minus 1 divided by P. Okay, let P be a prime and E be any positive integer. Then pi of P is equal to P power e into 1 minus 1 divided by P. Okay, whether the P is prime, then pi of P is equal to P power e into 1 minus 1 divided by P. Next one note more, it's important. There is some problems based on the note. Okay, first note, if P is a prime, okay, that is P is a prime, then pi of P is equal to P minus 1. அதாவது P ங்கிறது prime இருந்தது அப்படின்னா ஒரு prime number அப்படின்னா then pi of P is equal to P minus 1. Okay, suppose P is not prime, then formula pi of P is equal to P power e into 1 minus 1 of P. Sorry, 1 by P. Okay, mama. It's important. If P is a prime, then pi of P formula P minus 1. Okay, if P is not prime, pi of P equal to P power E into 1 minus 1 divided by P. Okay, it's important note. There is some problems based on the notes. Okay. Okay, the next one theorem. Let n is equal to P1 power E1, okay, P1 power E1, comma P2 power E2, etc. Pk power Ek with the canonical decomposition of n positive integer n, okay. N positive integer n, then pi of n formula n into 1 minus 1 divided by P1, 1 minus 1 divided by P2, etc. 1 minus 1 divided by Pk. Okay, mama. The n is equal to P1 power E1, P2 power E2, etc. Pk power Ek with the canonical decomposition of n positive integer. Okay. Then pi of n formula n into 1 minus 1 by P1, 1 minus 1 by P2, etc. 1 minus 1 divided by Pk. Okay. Okay. Let's see the example based on the note and the theorem. Okay, ma'am. Let's see first one problem. Find pi of 11. Okay, find pi of 11. Okay. First we have to check the pi of, okay, that is the number is prime or not. Okay, 11 is the prime or not prime, mama. 11 ingradhu prime number ah, prime number illaya?
Prime, ma'am.
Prime. Okay, va? Okay, prime number na definition enna? You all know that. What is the prime number? Which are the prime numbers, ma? Prime number definition.
The number is a factor of 1 and the same number itself is called as prime number.
Prime number. Otherwise it is the not prime. Okay, va? இப்போ ஒரு number வந்து 1 ஆலயும் number is divided by suppose அது இல்ல அப்படினா it's not prime. Okay, va? So 11 is a prime number. Okay, va? So if 11 is prime number, okay, then pi of P formula. See the previous note. If P is prime, if P is prime, then formula ma?
Pi of P equal to P minus 1.
Pi of P equal to P minus 1. Okay. Since using the formula, find out the value of pi of 11. Okay, va? So 11 is a prime. So every integer, positive integer is less than 11. Okay, is a relatively prime to 11. Okay. So the pi of P is equal to P minus 1. If P is prime, then formula pi of P equal to P minus 1. Okay. So pi of 11 equal to 11 minus 1, that is equal to 10. Okay, va? Therefore pi of 11 equal to 10. Okay. Let's see the another one example. Find pi of 18. Find pi of 18. Okay, first we have to check the number is prime or not prime. No. 18 is here. We know that definition of the prime. Definition of the prime enema. That is the number has the two factors. Okay, wow, one and itself. Now 18 is the
not prime.
Not prime. Okay, because the 18 is the divisor of the 2 all divide agum, 3 all divide agum, mama, 6 all divide agum. Okay, so it is the not prime. Okay, so pi of 8 is 18 is not prime. Okay, first write given pi of 18 equal to tata kuda matadu Okay, now the 18 is the divisor of the numbers. 2 ala divide agumama. So factors of the 18 ma. Student, factors of 18 ma.
2 into 9.
2 into 9. Okay ma, 3 3. Appo 2 into 3 square. Okay, so then first split up of the 18, find the factors. So pi of 18 is equal to 2 into, okay, 2 into 3 square. Okay, that is the pi of 2 and pi of 3 square. Okay, so paranga 2 ngiradhu prime not prime ma.
Prime.
Prime. Okay ma, so 2 is the prime, so we can use this simple formula. Okay ma, in a formula ma, if p is a prime, then formula pi of p is equal to
P minus 1.
P minus 1. Okay ma, so pi of 2 and first find out the value of pi of 2. Okay ma, pi of 2 is a prime, 2 is a prime, so that formula pi of p equal to p minus 1, pi of 2 equal to 2 minus 1 engiradhu enna aiduma 1. Okay ma, again have to find pi of 3 square. Okay ma, pi of 3 square. So 3 square engiradhu enna 9. Okay ma, idu prime not prime ma.
Not prime.
Not prime. Okay ma, so 3 is the divisor of edala divide agum 1 and 3. Okay, 3 square engiradhu 9. Okay ma, so 9 is the divisor of 3 and 9. Okay, so it is not prime. Okay, therefore pi of p is equal to formula ma, if p is not prime, then formula
Pi of p equal to p par e into 1 minus 1
1
by
minus
divided
1 by p. Okay va, e ingradhu that is nothing but that is the power. Okay va, e ingradhu enama power. Okay, so p is equal to 3 and e equal to 2. Okay, therefore then applying the formula pi of 18 equal to 3 square into 1 minus 1 by p. Okay, now here p is equal to 3. 3 square into 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, 3 square ingradhu enama 9. Okay va, so 1 3 is 3, 3 minus 1, take the LCM of 1 minus 1 by 3 and simplify. Okay, that is 9 into 2 by 3. Now 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 of 2 equal to 6. Okay, so pi of 18 equal to, okay, now we got the value of pi of 2 and pi of 3 square. Okay, pi of 2 is equal to enama 1 and pi of 3 square equal to 6. Okay, so pi of 18 equal to pi of 2 into 3 square. Okay, pi of 2 is equal to 1 and pi of 3 square equal to 6. So pi of 18 equal to 6. Okay, no? Any doubt pa? So if p is a prime, then the formula pi of p equal to p minus 1. Okay, then if p is a not prime, then formula pi of p is equal to p power e into 1 minus 1 by p. Okay, e ingredient enama, that is the power. Okay, then one more example. Pi of 28. Can you do it ma? Can you tell me the answer? Pi of 28 ma? Students, what could pandringla? Pi of 18, sorry, 28.
12 ma'am.
இப்போ சொல்லுங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க. Pi of 28 ma?
12 ma'am.
12 check ma. Yes ma, 12. Good. Okay, same method ma. Okay, pi of 28 is equal to 12. The next one important question. Find the remainder when 240. 245 whole power 1040 is divided by 18. Okay, find the remainder when 245 whole power 1040 is divided by 18. Okay, no, இதோட remainder வந்து find out பண்ணணும். Okay, no? First side given. Okay, to find the remainder is divided by 18. Now, first என்ன பண்ணணும்? It is the highest power, no? Okay, so first find out the smallest remainder of 245. ஓகேவா, அதோட பவருக்கு வந்து நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். இப்போ என்ன பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த நம்பருக்கு மட்டும் வந்து ரிமைண்டர் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ 245. ஓகே, 245 இஸ் கான்கரன்ஸ் டு எப்படிமா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுவோம்? இப்போ டிவைட் பை தி நம்பர் என்னப்பா? divided by number என்னமா 18. okay 18 அப்போ அதோட டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க. okay 245 is divided by 18, then the remainder என்னமா வருது? 245 வந்து 18 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க, then the remainder then the remainder is correct amma 11 varda students?
Yes ma'am.
Okay ma, so 11 245 is concurrent to 11 mod 18. okay ma. Then right, take the power 1040. okay, 245 whole power 1040 is concurrent to 11 power 1040 mod 18. okay. Okay. Now before finding the remainder of the biggest number, first try find out the mod 18. அதாவது pi of 18 வந்து find out பண்ணுங்க. Okay ma, pi of 18 வந்து how can we split up ma? Already we seen 2 into 3 square. 2 into 3 square. Therefore pi of 18 equal to pi of 2 into pi of 3 square. Okay, pi of 2 is there, that is the prime. Okay, so use the formula, that is to find pi of p is equal to p minus 1, pi of 2 equal to 1. Then 3 square ma, pi of 3 square, that is 3 square is here prime. Okay, therefore pi of 3 square equal to 6. Okay, already we seen one of the example for pi of 18. okay, so pi of 18 ingradhu enna 6. okay, so we know that by the theorem. Okay, using by the theorem, a power pi of m is concurrent to 1 mod m. Okay, by the theorem, a power pi of m is concurrent to 1 mod m. Now here a ingradhu enama 11. okay, that is 11. a is equal to 11 and pi of m ingradhu enama, that is pi of 18. okay, pi of inga power kadiyaduma, pi of m. okay, there is some mistake. okay, a equal to 11, pi of m is equal to pi of 18 is equal to pi of 18 answer, that is we know that 6. okay, now 11 power pi of 18 is concurrent to 1 mod 18, then 11 power 6. okay, pi of 18 oda answer enna, that is 6. 11 power 6 is concurrent to 1 mod 18. okay, so next enna பண்றாங்க அப்படினா அந்த power இருக்கமா, that is the highest power 1040. okay, that is the split up of the 1040 is equal to, okay, now split up of the 1040, that is 6 into 173 plus 2. okay, that is the 6 ingradhu enama, okay, that is the quotient into remainder, sorry, into divisor of the number, dividing the numbers, that is 6 into 173 plus the remainder. okay, so split up பண்ணிட்டு என்ன பண்றோம், 11 power 1040 is concurrent to 11 power 6 into 173 plus 2 mod 18. okay, இது என்ன பண்ணலாம், 11 power 6 whole power 173. okay, since using the formula a power mn equal to a power m into a power n, then 11 square. okay, mod 18. okay, then 11 power 6 enama, 11 power 6 is equal to 11 power 6 ma, 11 power 6 oda answer enapa, 11 power 6 is concurrent to
1.
1 okay va 1 power 173 okay then 11 square enapa 11 square ma 121 okay 11 square equal to 121 mod 18 okay so 1 power anything is 1 okay so 121 mod 18 so 11 power 1040 is concurrent to idu enna pannum 121 வந்து 18 ஆல divide பண்ணுங்க okay then find out the remainder is it correct ma 121 divided by 18 what's the remainder check out the answer 121 then divisor of sorry divide by 18 correct amma 13 varda check out the answer students is it right ma 13 varda ma hello hello students are you there
Yes, ma'am.
13 வருதாமா divide பண்ணா remainder 121 divided by 18
Yes, ma'am.
வருதாமா okay any doubt ma
Ma'am,
yes ma ஏதோ doubt
Ma'am.
இருக்காமா
இந்த கொஸ்டின் மாதிரி தான் மேம் ஃபெர்மாட் லிட்டில் தியரமும் இருக்கு. எக்ஸாம்பிள் சப்போஸ் இந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்தா நாங்க இது யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்ல ஃபெர்மாட் லிட்டில் தியரம் யூஸ் பண்ணுமா மேம்?
இதேதான் இருக்காமா
ஆமா மேம்.
ஃபைண்ட் தி ரிமைண்டர்னா சப்போஸ் அவங்க மெத்தட் கூட கேட்கலாம் சான்சஸ் இருக்கு ஓகேவா இந்த மெத்தட்ல பண்ணுங்க யூசிங் பை தி தியரம் அந்த மாதிரி ஓகேவா
ஜெனரலா கொடுத்தா இதுல
ஜெனரலா கொடுத்தா நீங்க எந்த மெத்தட் வேணா செஞ்சுக்கோங்க செய்யலாம்
ஓகே மேம்.
சரியா உனக்கு எது ஈஸியோ அது பண்ணிடுங்க இது ஈஸின்னு நினைக்கிறேன் கரெக்டா
ஆமா மேம்.
இது ஈஸியா இருக்கு இந்த தியரம் மட்டும் கால்குலேட் பண்ணுங்க ஓகேவா பை தி தியரம் ஓகே a power pi of m is concurrent to 1 one more example find the remainder when 199 power 2020 is divided by 28 okay same method now divide method okay இது எந்த மெத்தட் வேணா செய்யலாமா pi of 28 எடுக்கும்போ என்ன ஆயிடும் 2 square or 2 square and 7 also pi of 2 square and pi of 7 find out பண்ணிட்டு சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணுங்க ஓகே இந்த மெத்தட்லயே பண்ணலாம் இல்ல அப்படினா அந்த இன்னொரு மெத்தட் பார்த்தோம்லமா pi of 28 find out பண்ணிட்டு செய்யுங்க ஓகேவா So solve the linear concurrent 25x is concurrent to 13 mod 18 okay solve the linear concurrents okay To simplify பண்ணலாம். Okay, given is the linear concurrence. 25x is concurrent to 13 mod 18. Okay, that is 25 is the divisor of 18. Divide பண்ணா என்ன வருது? 7x is concurrent to 13. Okay, simplify பண்ணிட்டு then have to find the pi of mod 18. That is to find pi of 18. Okay, pi of 18 then substitute பண்ணலாம். Pi of 18 equal to 6. Okay, already we seen that. Then use the formula x is equal to a power pi of p minus 1 into b mod p. Okay, that is from equation 1. Equation 1 enama, that is 7x is concurrent to 13 mod 18. Okay, 7x is concurrent to 13 mod 18 now, that is x is equal to here a equal to 7. Okay, then pi of p ingradena, that is the pi of 18. Okay, that is mod p. Okay, 18 minus 1 into b is equal to 13. Okay, mama, அதாவது linear concurrence ஓட equation என்ன, ax is concurrent to b. Okay, so that here a equal to 7 and b equal to 13. அதாவது இந்த formula நாம வச்சுக்கோம். Okay, it is important one formula. X is equal to a power pi of p minus 1. Okay, whether the question is linear concurrence. Then simplify. Okay, 7 power pi of 18. Pi of 18, we know that the value of pi of 18 that is equal to 6. Okay, work out பண்ணி பாருங்கம்மா, ஈஸியா தான் இருக்கும். Simplify, that is x is concurrent to 7 mod 18. Okay, solve the linear concurrence. 25x is concurrent to 13 mod 18. Okay, so இது என்ன பண்ணலாம், simplify பண்ணுங்க. 25 is divided by 18, that is 7x is concurrent to 13. Okay, then after that we have to find out the value of mod 18. Okay, that is the pi of 18. Okay, pi of 18 already we seen the method of to find pi of 18. Okay, இதே method தான் பண்ணனும் இல்லமா, உனக்கு எது ஈஸியோ அது பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா, pi of 18 that is equal to 6. Okay, then to solve the concurrence, linear concurrence, using the formula x is equal to a power pi of p minus 1. Okay, into b. Okay, we know that linear equation of linear concurrence of the form is ax is concurrent to b. Okay, so that here a equal to 7 and b equal to 13. Then formula la substitute பண்ணுங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். It's enough. புரியுதாமா? Any doubt, students? ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. எதுவும் புரியல அப்படின்னா ஆஃப்லைன் கிளாஸ்ல கூட கேட்கலாம். ஓகேவா, எல்லாமே சிம்பிள் தான். எது டவுட் இருக்காமா? டவுட்னா கேட்கலாம். ஹலோ, நீ டவுட்மா?
நோ மேம்.
ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. சரியாமா, ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி பாருங்க, புரியும். அவ்வளவுதான். யூனிட் 5 மூவா. யூலர் தியரம் நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. எப்போ எக்ஸாம் தெரியல.
மேம்
சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
மேம் மகாவீர் பசில்லாம் என்னது மேம்? சம்மா தியரமா மேம்?
அது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குப்பா. இந்த 64x இது மாதிரி இருக்கும். சம் தான் அது.
ஓ, அந்த சம் போட்டா ஓகேவா மேம்?
அது போட்டா ஓகேமா.
ஓகே மேம்,
நான் அது வேணா அனுப்பி வைக்கிறேன். ஓகேவா, என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்?
ஓகே மேம்.
இந்த தியரம்ஸ் எல்லாமே நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்கம்மா. வில்சன்ஸ் தியரம், ஃபெர்மாட்ஸ் லிட்டில் தியரம் அண்ட் யூலர் தியரம். ஓகேவா, வேற இதுல எதுவும் டவுட்மா? டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு படிச்சிட்டீங்களா? ஹலோ, 4 5 முடிஞ்சது படிங்க. ம். Okay, ma. You can leave now. Thank you all. Let's find out the class. Thank you, ma. Thank you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.